liters full fat, milk or fresh cream. Turn on the flame and heat the milk on a medium-low heat. As soon as it boils, add 3 more 4 TBSP lemon juice and turn off the heat. If milk hasn't curdled, add in more lemon juice. Pour the curdled milk through cheesecloth and a sieve to strain all the liquid whey. Run cold water over it to remove the lemon taste. Squeeze the curdled milk as much as possible and add it to a blender or food processor. Blend until it is creamy. If the cheese is dry, add 1 TBSP of liquid whey and blend again. Add salt or herbs and store the cream cheese in an airtight container.